warmer over here.
Really? Mikey.
Have you done Chevy or the Dodge already?
I got one of them. I haven't really got to do it in a long time though. Keys.
This thing's loose compared to the other one.
Yeah, I know.
This pipe feels fucking awesome. Ah, yeah, it's warm as fuck.
Oh. Quick, Zach, to the next car.
Do it. Let's do it. Put it on YouTube. God,
Reams. You should have put spinners on that, man. Oh.
Hey, I'll turn my subs off, and then we'll show them my subs after I do this. What's up now?
That's it.
wow, this thing fucking scares me. It reminds me of a fucking bomb. Like for real. Isn't that fucking not?
Shit, you could blow stuff up, man.
Yeah, take all the title off.
Yeah.
Bring it to
Put it in
school.
school.
I have a bomb!
Oh shit.
Get the fuck out of here. Give me A's in all my classes.
Yeah. Alright. Well, let's head over. We got heads over to Tanner's house, man.
Why?